Watch this. Some big old heavy plate turner, man. Watch it goat. Watch it. I'm gonna taste the goat as I come in. The goat tender. Let's save that one there. That made it last. Tonight through me I drink something. Me and this I go fight. Me and this I go fight. I got some oxtail. I started to eat it in the car, but food like this, I think you have to sit down to eat it. You know, I didn't want to rush it sitting outside in a car. I wanted to find somewhere where I could be chilling, so I can book myself in a room. I'm gonna stay out here in Houston until tomorrow. After this, I get go look at tattoo shop and the seafood. Fried plantain in there. Whole heap of fried plantain too. Steamed veggies, spinach dumpling, broad beans, a whole heap of meat. Alright. Big plate. So I'm gonna turn on the TV and handle myself, or probably Skype with the children them and them thing while I eat something. And then probably gonna look at tattoo shop and do some more work, you know? See it? And get inked up. Cause Jamaica, soon reach Jamaica in November. I think I have to turn up. Anyway, SouFLoTV, man, me linking up. Tonight I'm probably gonna check out Club Rhythms. One Jamaican club in Houston, which is right next door to the restaurant I just got. So everything is everything. Me gonna know the thing go. See, as we move up. Alright, so me reach. See there, Houston, Texas. This is how a little room look like. I don't know. I'm showing them my food still. Soon showing them my food, right? Watch this. It was a long ass drive over here. The food good though. The place all carpet. Look. There's people even in America. They make TV food. See that? Carpet rip up. See it? But I want big old stand up on the carpet right over here, so like somebody drop a hot iron on it. That's how a room look like. All in all, I'm not complaining still. I turn on the TV, I want old TV, I want big back TV now. Like they look like the first flat screen them when you come out. Back in the day. I see like a bathroom there. So I'm going to make myself comfortable, you know, and eat something. Before I eat though, I'm showing you the food, really. Now I stop at this Jamaican restaurant named Cool Runnings, and I got some good Jamaican food. And see it here.
Alright people, so I'm in Houston, right? I'm supposed to go check out a club called Club Rhythms. I put on some clothes and thing and drive out there. Nothing on going. I see about 5 car. I see a Rasta man I jerk some pork and chicken out the front. And about 5 car out there. Anyway, I'm gonna go back to a restaurant. I'm gonna go earlier because they're right next door. Listen, if you're ever in Texas, man, I tell you, and if you're ever in Houston, because Texas is big, but if you're ever in Houston, Texas, please look up Cool Runnings Jamaican Bar and Grill. Them things shot. When I say them things shot, and listen, my mother owned the first Jamaican restaurant in Palm Bay and Melbourne, and she run that for 20 years on the high standards. So when I tell us that them people that think shot, I give them some high remarks. I talk about 5 star out of 5 star. You know what I said? Right now, at 15 minutes to 11. Me in a hotel room bored, I said, damn, I'm gonna grab something for drink, liquor store closed, 10 o'clock. Everything lock off. So I'm gonna grab 2 bottles of beer and come back in here. But watch this. When I see the food, right, rewind the video and look at my oxtail from earlier, from the people them. Which part me there in the woods, I don't really have them kind of food here, so I say, you know what, fuck it, nothing going to a restaurant. So maybe nothing going to Club Rhythms. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab 2 more plates of food and make sure I have something to bring back with me. and keep it in our fridge, you know, so tomorrow for dinner we can have maybe some real jerk chicken and then some curry goat. Watch this. I add them a curry goat with white rice. I tell them I want some fried plantain and steamed vegetables with it, right? I'm gonna add them a jerk chicken with rice and peas. Same thing, steamed vegetables and plantain. Anyway, watch the thing.
People, the name of the place is Cool Runnings. Look them up. They have one official website. They have one A-class chef there. The chef apparently is a 5-star chef from Jamaica that is known on the Jamaican circuit. I think in a ultra restaurant to be an era on a tourist level thing. A 5-star restaurant, hotel, all inclusive them thing them. Run the thing that's already and come up here. I mean I tell us that you can tell cause the man do it on a whole nother level. The food is off the chain, man. Jano, it's Cool Runnings. I have to big them up. Yes? It's SouFLoTV, man. I'm out of here. Peace. So people, I just drove like 150 miles come to this place here in Houston. Cool Runnings is the name of the restaurant. They're supposed to be Jamaica's #1 restaurant. We're just tired of not getting no Jamaican food. Yesterday I spent $15 and get some shrimp and fish and thing from a restaurant way back over so. I was so disappointed to them I decided to drive 150 miles because it wasn't a Jamaican restaurant. And I spent the $15 yesterday, alright, I spent $15 today, right? And I feel like I get my money worth. Jano, and I feel like the ride was well worth it. Can watch this. I get a large oxtail. You ready? Watch your food here. You see it? I'm good on that plate for now. So right now I'm gonna eat the food and enjoy the food. Yo, the man is a top chef around the thing, you know. And I see him on the internet and I see him right there in person as I walk in there. They will serve your food right out in front of you. Listen. Wicked. The man have all spinners. Proper Jamaican way. I have all spinners dumpling and broad beans in an oxtail. No ramping thing. Yeah, I'm going to enjoy my food here. I can't eat off all of this, but I eat off most of it though. Then I'm going to look at hotel for stay and jam out here so for night because I'm here say later night time session I go on out here. See people in van there. Cool Runnings. Alright. Back to my food one more time for those who want to see my oxtail. I'm gonna mash it up right now.